French striker Kylian Mbappe has been presented with a life-changing offer from two clubs, Paris Saint-Germain, owned by the Emir of Qatar, and Al Hilal, a Saudi Pro League club owned by the Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund, who want to sign him. Al Hilal is offering him 300 million euros and even a one-year contract would be okay for them. If he chooses to stay longer, they have a staggering 700 million euro contract waiting for him. PSG has reportedly accepted the offer and allowed Mbappe to talk to the Saudi club. लेकिन Mbappe के ट्रांसफर सागा में और कॉन्टेक्स्ट जानने के लिए one must go back as far as 2021. Back then, Real Madrid offered $190 million for Kylian Mbappe, but PSG turned it down. Instead, Mbappe agreed to extend his contract with PSG. The new deal was for 24 months with an option to extend for an additional 12 months. Surprisingly, the contract also gave Mbappe some unusual parts such as having a say in player transfers. He even approved the hiring of Lucas Ocampos as the PSG sporting director at one point. He authorized the sale of Neymar as reported by a French newspaper L'Equipe. अब कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के 2 साल खत्म होने के बाद एम्बापे ने PSG के साथ न्यू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यू करने से मना कर दिया है एंड इन 2024 ही कुड मूव टू रियल मैड्रिड एज अ फ्री एजेंट। अब ये सिचुएशन PSG के लिए एक बड़ी प्रॉब्लम बन सकती है। If Mbappe leaves PSG without a transfer fee, financial fair play rules would limit their ability to make big signings. However, if they sell Mbappe, they can recover some of their investment and have more flexibility in future transfer negotiations. इस पूरी सिचुएशन को देखा जाए तो अल हिलाल सभी पार्टीज को हेल्प कर सकता है। PSG को अपना कुछ पैसा रिकवर करना है एंड एम्बापे को रियल मैड्रिड ज्वाइन करना है। बट रियल मैड्रिड ने रिसेंटली ही जूड बेलिंगम को 100+ यूरोज में साइन किया है and at this point they are unwilling to pay hefty sum to PSG for Mbappe. Clearly the ball is in Kylian's court. If he chooses to go ahead with a one-year deal, he can maintain his relationship with PSG by giving them a chance to recover some money. Al Hilal will also gain from this deal after failing to secure Messi. It can be considered as a pit stop for Mbappe and then he can join Real Madrid and prove his loyalty to them. Honestly, किलियन एम्बापे को इतना किसी डिफेंडर ने टेस्ट नहीं किया होगा जितना ये सब सिचुएशन कर रही है, बट इट विल बी एक्साइटिंग टू नो व्हाट ही डिसाइड्स फॉर हिज फ्यूचर। फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज स्टे ट्यून्ड टू NDTV Sports।